Modular blockchains are blowing up, but who's actually building them? Here are 5 modular projects you should know. 1. Celestia. It's the go-to data layer. Rollups post their data here, and it's way cheaper than doing everything on Ethereum. 2. Eigenlayer. This one's wild. It lets you restake ETH to secure new services, basically renting out Ethereum's security. 3. Avail. Similar to Celestia, but chain agnostic. It wants to connect all kinds of rollups, not just Ethereum ones. 4. Dimension. They're all about roll-apps. Think mini blockchains for DeFi, games, whatever you want. 5. Tansy. Tansy helps you launch your own blockchain fast. Infra, security, automation. It's like a dev toolkit for app chains. Modular, faster, cheaper, more flexible. So which one are you betting on? Drop it in the comments.